IT is no longer this regrettable expense that you have down in the server room making sure all the lights are blinking day in, day out. That's quite frankly become a commodity in the medical world today. And one of the things that we concentrate on instead now is using IT as a catalyst for change. We know there's only going to be so much money available to an organization. So at that end, what we need to know is all of the data points associated with care, from the time the order is placed all the way through the result at the end, and the decision support and the interpretation and the different interactions with staff and technologists that happen in between. We need to know all we can about every single one of those data points so that at the end of the day, a radiology practice or a hospital radiology department is able to prove their value. Another thing that we think is very important is understanding your cost. So from the time you sit down to interpret an exam and the staff that you need to help you with that and the resulting software and the servers and the data centers and the connectivity you need to make all of that happen, you need to understand those costs at a very granular level. That way you're very sure when you're contracting that you're not agreeing to provide service at a cost that is greater than what you can afford for what it costs you to do those things. The last thing that we think is really important is the ability to quantify the quality that you're providing to an organization. So all of the decisions you make, especially from an IT perspective here out, need to be focused on how much quality can that IT help you deliver back to the patient care. So if you are providing relevant prior examinations and comparisons as needed and recommending follow-up at an appropriate rate, and then giving referring physicians actual data that will help them make decisions on what the patient needs next in the care chain, that's a valuable thing to do.
We offer IT consulting, EMR integration, PACS migration, HL7 interfacing, VNA implementation, and much more, with customer service and support 24/7, 365. We empower imaging providers to focus on value-based patient care. Canopy Partners. For more information, call 336-274-9617 or visit canopy-partners.com.